people. Hello people, it's been quite a long time since I've actually made a video. Today I'm going to be giving away a Flasher Supreme, and it's newly made, so haven't touched it a lot. And it works pretty well. I'm going to flash it once or twice. And that. And I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway at the end of this video, but I just wanted to say I'm a 10-year-old kid. So life is hard when you're at school, and also I go to swimming classes and band and that kind of jazz. So it's hard for me to make videos, so you'll spot me rarely, and it's actually sad to not have that many views. And yeah, I want to make a video, but then also my mom and dad work and they're busy, so can't annoy them. But yes, this is, if you don't know it, I see a lot of adults commenting, but this is a YouTube channel for kids. I didn't wish for that. I have no problem with adults watching my videos, but it's just that kids don't watch it. Because as I said, it's a channel for kids. So obviously I would love kids. Okay. But what you have to do, if you are the winner of the giveaway, and by the way, I'm not going to use any apps or anything for the giveaway. I'm just not going to use any apps or anything. You know how they pick it? I'm going to pick it by myself. And look, it's a mouse. So I'm just going to scroll up and down by closing my eyes. I'll close my eyes, scroll up and down as much as I want, and then I will stop. And the arrow of my mouse, the person it points to, is going to be the winner. But even if it's nearly there, but if it's on no one, then redo. And yeah, so it's not the end of the video, but I'm just going to tell you how to enter this giveaway thing. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, and after you have done all that, you have to comment what is your favorite origami thing that Jeremy Schaefer created. Because if you don't know, I'm a big, all right, let's not stretch it out too much, ginormous fan of Jeremy Schaefer. So you have to comment what is your favorite model designed by Jeremy Schaefer, and also comment about your favorite model designed by Ranvir'sVarietyWorld. Yeah, I'm not such a big fan of that, but yes, I do like it. It's just amazing because not only he does origami, some cool crafts like the bow and arrow stuff. Yeah, it's just so cool. But yeah, so life is hard when you're a kid at school and then can't record videos. But I love being a YouTuber. And how I got into YouTube, since I was a little kid, I used to come back from school, watch YouTube videos, and I was like, why can't I be there? And then when I was 8, I got given a camera to actually record videos on my own. So this live stream I'm doing on my own, it's just, emotional kind of story. And then when I got given the camera, accessories, and etc., I started recording my videos, and my first videos on how to make pizza, because I love pizza. Comment down below if you're a person who doesn't like pizza. Who does not like pizza? Okay, to see it flash. Okay. And I don't want to spoil it, so I didn't waterfold it. I didn't wet fold it, but if you want, you can wet fold this. So all you have to do in a wet fold, tie a rubber band around it, right, and dip it in water quite a bit, and then let it dry like completely. And then when you open it, as soon as you open it, and let it go, or spring back. Excuse me. So yeah, that and what you have to do if you are the winner, then all you have to do is comment your Gmail in the comments, no matter if you do it on the private or public, because YouTube automatically puts them to a different section that only I can see, and you, the winner, can see. And once you've got an email, once I've got your email, I'll email you. Hi, my email is blah blah blah, and can you please send me your address so that I can parcel this thing to you? But yeah, and that's it. That's about the giveaway and comment.